Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Hickory Woods Elementary here in Novi, Michigan, part of the Walled Lake School District. And my second time here was here last school year. The main focus was on diversity, kindness, leadership, that we choose to see everybody as human beings before anything else, like you see your own best friend. Today's focus really tried to build on that. So the main topic was all around bullying and seeing people for their heart first, but also understanding that kindness and empathy, compassion, respect start within the heart, just like the shirt here with the peace sign inside of the heart. It's saying need human kindness, that all of us truly need human kindness. And just like the bulletin board and part of their school mantra where kindness always wins, it's saying that acts of kindness are a big deal here. And so many of the students that I got to sit with and have lunch with after the programs got to share their hearts with me and just, talk to me about how they really want to choose kindness, they really want to, choose respect, that they really see the importance for this, that they understand at a young age the power that they can have, the impact that they can create, and the difference that they can make. And so that's very encouraging to me, to know that they understand this, that they can be that light to someone's heart and, truly start to heal this planet one act of kindness at a time. We also revisited the concept of the miracles, M etched in all of our poems with the lines of our hand, M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and to receive it. And that once we do receive that, which is not easy sometimes because we can be hesitant, there's someone that we don't know and they're just being kind to us for no reason and helping us for no reason, we're like, what the heck? But once you really do start to really fully let it enter your heart, then it changes us. It truly transforms us, and now it makes us want to go and spread that kindness and just keep the chain going. That snowball effect, it being very cold outside, no pun intended, but that we can, kind of just take this kindness to the next level. And so that's what was really tried to focus on, is that they understood that it's one thing to believe this, but now it's the next thing is to go and take action, to stand up for what's right, have the courage and strength to do what's right, to really spread that peace. So thanks for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, much love. Peace.